Hey everyone, I'm Tony Bahou from Tom Smith Land and Homes. Thank you for joining us here on Talking with Tony on Tuesdays. This is a new segment that I'm trying out. Hopefully will enlighten and educate you. Today we've got John Dorsa from State Farm talking about insurance. We're going to talk about a variety of different topics throughout the weeks, not just dealing with real estate, but maybe some entertainment things, good restaurants to go see, good places to go have a drink, or venues around Jackson and around Mississippi. But today we've got John Dorsa. John, just tell us about how long you've been in the insurance business.
I'm older than dirt, Tony. I've been in the insurance business 32 years. I started off as a claim adjuster, and then I became an underwriter, an internal auditor, and I moved over to agency in 2009.
And so far, so good. Everything the last 9 years?
Doing fine, man. I've really been blessed. We've had a great run.
What's been the last decade, or couple decades since you've been in it? What's been the different things going on in what they call P&C, property and casualty insurance?
Well, the big thing, was Katrina. Everybody had to pay the price for Katrina there for several years. That really rocked the insurance industry. That was the biggest insurance event in U.S. history. So there was a lot of dust that needed to settle, and it finally settled, and things got back to normal a few years ago. So yeah, we're rolling again with the homeowner market. Hopefully we'll never have another storm like that, because that was supposedly a once in 500 years. Right. And State Farm, like I said, is we like to treat our customers well. We know you got a lot of choices out there, and that's how we differentiate ourselves. Our service is unsurpassed.
What should people look for in their policy so you're getting apples to apples?
Great question, Tony. In the industry, there's basically 5 kind of homeowner policies that are being offered in the market. They range from, in technical terms, an HO1 up to an HO5. An HO1 is a junk policy. If you've got a mortgage on your home, the mortgage company won't even accept it because it's really a stripped down policy. HO5 is the best, and that's all we offer here at State Farm. It's going to cover the most perils, and that's what differentiates the different policies. Some people come to us and say, well, I got this one quote for $200,000 on my home, and then I got another quote for $200,000 on my home. It looks like equal quotes. It's not how much coverage they're giving you on your home. It's what perils they're covering and what limitations or exclusions are included in the policy. So if there are a lot of exclusions, then you don't have a very good policy. And the HO5 has very few exclusions. I think the main ones would be earthquake and flood, and we can get those back for you if you'd like them. And obviously intentional damage is never covered.
Right.
But that's any insurance policy. No policy would cover that. But like I said, the perils that it covers and the limitations or exclusions is what separates the policies. And that's what you have to study. You don't want to find out after you have a claim that whatever caused your loss is excluded.
Right.
That would be a bad time to find out.
No doubt. And so should someone kind of interview an agent and say, all right, what do you exclude, what don't you exclude? Because I think people think they're all equal and don't know the difference. Like, oh, I did not realize that.
Absolutely, yes. A lot of people just shop price. They'll call an 800 number off of a commercial they see on TV, and they'll get a low price and they'll jump on the policy. Then when they have a claim, they found out they didn't have a very good policy. That's not the time to find out you don't have a good policy. You need to study what kind of policy it is, ask questions, ask about the exclusions and limitations, ask about the perils that it covers, find out before you have a loss, because after you have a loss, it is too late. What about service, Tony? I know people have a lot of choices out there. There's an awful lot of companies advertising on the TV and radio all day, every day. We like to differentiate ourselves by our service. We may not be the cheapest at all times. We are very competitive right now. Our prices are very good. In fact, we just had an auto and homeowner rate reduction. That's the first time we've been able to say that in many, many years.
That's good.
But even when we're the cheapest, we don't like to sell on price. We like to sell on service, because even if the rates change, we still think that we're giving you the best value for your money.
How does someone contact you?
601-790-2600 or jdorsa.com.
All right, it's John Dorsa with Tony Bahou on Talking with Tony on Tuesdays. We hope to see you next time right here. Give us a like, follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube. Talk to you guys later.
Thank you.